The Mack B series was a line of heavy trucks produced by Mack Trucks between 1953 and 1966. It is regarded as the best-known Mack model, and many still survive, both restored and not. They were available in a variety of configurations, including as fire trucks and school buses. The B model was replaced by the Mack R series models. Model numbers and letters: B model B1X, B2X, B3X, B4X, B5X, B6X, B7X, B8X. Chassis letter guide: B. School bus chassis. C. Flat face cowl for the addition of a delivery body. E. Built for export. F. Fire truck chassis. L. Lightweight, weight reduced by using aluminum components. P. Platform chassis. Single axle straight truck. R. Right-hand drive. This designation was started in 1964, but right-hand drive available. S. Six-wheel chassis. Tandem axle. T. Tractor chassis. X. Severe or extreme service chassis. Engines: the B model offered 10 different gasoline engines, from a 291 cu in 4.8 L, with 107 horsepower, 80 kilowatts, in the B22, a 707 cu in 11.6 L, with 232 horsepower, 173 kilowatts, in the B70. A wide range of diesels were also offered, from the B61 up to the ENDT 673 turbocharged i6 and N864 V8 were offered, from the B73 up to the Cummins 855 cu in 14.0 L. i6 up to the NTC 335 were available. The table shows the largest gasoline and diesel engines in the series. Type: G equals gasoline, D equals diesel, TD equals turbocharged diesel. See also Mack Trucks. List of Mack Trucks products. Antique Mack Truck Forum. Sites specializing in B model information.